So today I'm in my backyard and I just came outside and my snowman fell off a car and just got destroyed. I brought him back. Now he doesn't look that good because the leftover of his face is back here smashed into his skull, which I need to fix to cover up parts of that. So my hand's kind of red. Okay, no one will see that he was destroyed. Now I'm gonna do something I like to do. Do you see this shovel? I'm gonna grab it, and if you didn't notice, that pond is frozen. So, ooh, it didn't break. Come on, don't break. Come on, it broke, but it's not really breaking. Oh, it broke. It's been a while since I've done a video. About a week or two. It's been like 2 weeks since I've done a video. So that snowman is the only reason I'm making this video, pretty much, is because he got destroyed. Also, that is a nose. Don't think anything like dirty. Whoa. Okay. I like snow. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Please use all of my sounds I've made. Also, here's some destroyed pumpkin. It looks gross. This is a tree. Or a sleed. I'm trying to stay sideways and tree at the same time. My fingers are freezing. Snow. Now it's nice. So, I say whatever anymore. The sun is about right there. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and I'm gonna do some unboxing video soon, and I want to go live before New Year's. So, on my channel, if you didn't notice, I posted some things like me using the Doors admin panel on one of my friends, and it went a little too crazy. But that's actually not my friend. I friended him because he was a nice person. He wasn't crazy with admin hours that I gave him. The only thing he did was hit the speech button a lot. Well, you can choose in between Brookhaven, a Stranger Things RP, or Doors for me to go live in. You just type in the comments, and I'm gonna make a couple comments, like comment under this for Doors, comment under this for Brookhaven, comment under this for Stranger Things RP. I do have a coat on, so I'm not totally freezing. It's still cold though. So you can choose which one, but I'm not playing the Strongest Battlegrounds because I don't want to. Because I don't like being. Also, bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.